Good morning. Kumusta ko kayo lahat dyan? Ako, ang daming issue ngayon, no? But I think the really bigger issue is the issue of Duterte. And you know why? Because we know for a fact na yung lahat ng mga politiko, Binay, Rojas, Grace Poe, Marcos, they're all shit. Okay? And apparently, yung positioning ngayon is because all these four guys are shit. The better solution is Duterte. Ang problema ho niyan, he's not the better solution, he is the bigger shit. Okay? Now, why? Ako, I'll tell you outright. All I have are my ideas. I don't have a gun. I'm not funded by taxes. I create my own wealth. I create my own wealth by serving other people. How do I serve them? They don't have to elect me. They have a need, I help. They need food, I'll give you food. You need a place to stay in, I can provide you a place to stay in. For short, I do it personally. Kung meron nangangailangan sa akin, I will not say, hold on, kasi mag-election muna tayo bago kita matutulungan. Kukunin ko muna yung sasabihin ng buong council before I can get authorization to help you. Or, you know, I have to get the money first from my neighbor in order for me to help you. I mean, like, that is so fucked up. And yet people don't realize, every fucking day, yan ang ginagawa ng mga yan. Now, itong natang ito, they have the goal to say they will institute the death penalty for whatever. And I'm saying, excuse me? Hello? We are the people who are paying your fucking salary, okay? Kami na magbayad ng mga sweldo nyo. And you have the goal to tell us what we can and cannot do? Listen up, wake up Filipinos. If you're hearing me now, tingnan nyo ang mukha ko. Do I look scared? Do I look afraid? No, I am fucking pissed off with these freaking criminals. We shouldn't be scared of them. They are the ones who should be scared of us. You know why? There's 90 million of us. 90 million. Ilan lang sila sa Kongreso? Ha? 300. Ilan silang mga government officials dyan? There's like, Davao na lang, there's like 2 million citizens there. How many are there in government in that area? Ha? Sa subdivision ninyo, sa tirahan nyo, bawat isa. Sa bawat isang pribadong tao dyan, ilan lang gobyerno dyan. Sa bawat isang pulis, isang sundalo dyan, ilan lang sibilyan dyan. Sabihin na natin, tayong lahat na sibilyan, dahil hindi na nila nirespeto ang batas, bakit natin sila re-respetuhin, di ba? We all play by the same rules. Just because you're in government doesn't mean you can do as you want. Hell no. When people wake up to this truth, dude, I don't have to do anything. Mismo yung mga bodyguard ninyo, kayong lahat, mga politiko, mga bodyguard, makinig kayo. Bakit nyo binabantayan yung mga politika na yan? Sila nagpapahirap ng buhay nyo. Bakit kayo nagpapatsoy sa mga yan? Ha? Nasaan ang mga utak nyo? Uutusan nila kayo, pag pumatay kayo, pagkatapos yan, pag nahuli kayo, kayo ang itutulak nyan. Look at Felonia, what happened to the guy? He bought all that shit. Suddenly, ano na siya? He never existed. I never talked to the guy. That is so fucking shit. Everybody knows that shit. Come on, wake up. Tapos na, lokohan yung mga eleksyon na yan. In the first place, hindi pa nga naasikaso yung PCOS ng 2010. Boboto naman kayo sa mga 2016 PCOS na yan. Kung hindi pa naman kayo mga ugok, just go, people. I am saying this because I love you. I love you all. I don't want you even to be scared. I want you to live a life without fear. I want you to live a life where you can have all the peace and joy and abundance you want. You don't want to live a life in fear. Who are these people to tell you that you know, you cannot smoke in the privacy of your own room? Fuck them. Screw them. Fuck you.